In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new order status in WooCommerce. This can be incredibly helpful for customizing your store's workflow, improving communication with your customers, and ensuring every order is managed efficiently. So, let's get started right away. First, head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Plugins option on the left-hand side of your screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear. You'll want to select Add New from this menu. This is where you'll be able to search for and install any plugin you may need. Next, in the search bar that's conveniently located on the upper right-hand side of the page, you'll need to type in Custom Order Status for WooCommerce. Wait for the results to load. It should only take a few moments. You're looking for the exact plugin with that name. There might be several options that pop up, but make sure to choose the one specifically tailored for WooCommerce, as it's designed to integrate seamlessly with your online store. After you've found the correct plugin, you'll see an option to install it. Click on Install, and the system will take care of adding the plugin to your WordPress setup. Once installation is complete, a new button will appear. Activate. Go ahead and click Activate to enable the plugin. By activating it, you're granting it permission to run and integrate with your WooCommerce settings. This step is crucial, as installing alone won't make any plugin functional. Activation is what makes everything work together. With the Custom Order Status plugin installed and activated, it's now time to set up your new order status. For this, navigate back to the WooCommerce section, find the Settings submenu, and click on Order Statuses. This area allows you to manage all current order statuses as well as add new ones, providing great flexibility to tailor your order workflow. In this window, you'll see an option to Add New. Click on this button to begin configuring your custom order status. Here, you have the freedom to define precisely how you want this new status to work within your order system. You can give it a descriptive name that clearly indicates its purpose, something that aligns with your business operations. Whether it's awaiting shipment, in production, or custom review, the choice is yours. Carefully configure any additional settings or notifications related to this new status, ensuring it aligns well with your online store's operational needs. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new order status in WooCommerce. This simple yet powerful addition can greatly enhance how you manage customer orders and streamline your business operations. Thank you for joining me today, and happy customizing!